What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So let's take some time to talk about probably my favorite position right now. Definitely my favorite position. It's probably up there with CRO, right? Terra Luna Classic. You know what it is because the title obviously tells you what it is. I think that some people may be making mistakes. I get comments all the time where people are like, look, I'm not investing in Terra Luna Classic, or I'm getting out of Terra Luna Classic because I feel as though it's not making a move right now. Um, and I think those people are going to be sorry, secretly sorry. They're not going to voice how sorry they are. They're not going to voice their sorrow. Um, and obviously, their pockets are going to be like, why'd you decide to sell the position? Because I feel as though Terra Luna Classic is definitely going to have a major move within it. And the harder that we work as a community, the bigger this gain will be. So all of those people that are saying, "Hey, I don't want to work with this. I don't want to be a part of this," is because they're just waiting for things to happen. They're not trying to do anything. And I wanted to talk about this position just a little bit today and talk about how sorry these people will end up being for selling all of their Terra Luna Classic. And this is just my opinion, right? It doesn't mean that it's going to be it's 100% going to be the best thing since sliced bread. It's something that I feel strongly about. I'm investing into, and I have my reasons to do so. So if you guys don't have all of your reasons to invest into this position built up, then don't make the move just because I'm making a move, or don't make a move just because I'm saying that you should. Well, I'm not saying that you should. I'm just saying that people will be sorry if they didn't. So, anyways, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. And my Patreon link is also down there if you guys are interested in one-on-ones and educational content. And hopefully I can get these courses out soon, because I feel like it's always great for beginners. I get a lot of people that say, hey, I'm a beginner. Can you help me out with this? And it would be great to have that just to get people started and understanding cryptocurrency a little bit more, or just the investment side of anything, right? Just investing in general. So anyways, let's talk about Terra Luna Classic. Let's show you where it is, and then I'll talk about where I believe that this is going. Not a full prediction to say this is going over here, but again, the harder that we work as individuals and as a group and as a community, I feel like the better, or the higher this price is going, the more places that Terra Luna Classic will be. So Terra Luna Classic is currently at 0.0001508. It's down a little bit from where it was. If we look at over the last month, we've seen this at a high of 0.002 and a low of 1381. So it is getting hit a little bit, and it looks like, it's on the verge of, adding another zero, which would be amazing for a lot of people to buy at some of those levels, especially with some of the growth potential that it does have. Now, we are seeing this lower than a $900 million market cap right now. Fully diluted is $1 billion. Circulating supply, 5.9 trillion. Total supply, 6.8, almost 6.9 trillion. One thing that we like to focus on here on this channel is the popularity, the volume that goes into it. Well, the volume is down by 66%. It's at $60 million, or almost $61 million there, at which 207,000 is going through DEX volume. Sorry, my neck hurts. And 61 million basically is going through the CEX volume. So most of that is happening on centralized exchanges. Now, obviously, I think that CEXs should be involved in, burning and all that stuff, but that's in due time. If we can find a way to push that, again, as individuals and as a community, if we can find a way to push that, it could be something that actually happens. And these things, they can happen out of anywhere or out of nowhere, right? CRO has done it with a 70 billion burn. You see BNB that's consistently doing a quarterly burn. So it could happen out of nowhere. You never know what's going to be implemented, and you never know how the price is going to be affected because of that. So With this position, I invested in this position way back when it was at a low price and it had 6 zeros. Other people, invested when it was at 5 zeros. Some people invested when it was at 4 zeros. And a lot of people are up on their plays, right? Maybe, a couple $1,000s, tens of thousands of dollars, whatever, right? They invested a decent amount into the position. But I believe it can go a hell of a lot further. We've seen this Terra Luna Classic at a $40 billion market cap. That was when it had the algorithm and it had the stable coin associated with it and everything like that. I believe with all the things that we are doing within the ecosystem, within the community, and trying to build utility and trying to build on the chain and trying to build a buy button, a way to increase volume, that will increase the market cap. However, we want to find a way to increase the overall price without really increasing the market cap, even though we want to see the market cap increase as well. Like if we see a $1 billion, $1 billion market cap and it has, sorry, and it has a 6 trillion circulating supply, then we see a $1 billion market cap and it has a 500 or 600 billion circulating supply. Well, now you're seeing a higher price because it still has that higher market cap with a lower circulating supply. So that's what we want. And I believe that will be the case. Again, this community is very strong. So the main reason, if I had to get into just one reason why I believe that people will be sorry about this position, the main reason is because I do believe that this community is insanely strong. With the amount of people that are invested into it, the amount of people that stake into it, and the amount of decisions that we control with our voting, with our governance, we can change a lot of things. And not only with the governance and voting, but also outside of that. Again, if we can find a way to talk to these exchanges and say, look, we need help. We're trying to burn off this circulating supply and get us back to normal. It'll help out your business, lay everything out on the line. That could be something that really creates an impact and we actually see burning. But you never know. It might happen. It might not happen. So I definitely think if that does happen, or if we find a way to burn a hell of a lot more without doing that, maybe the repeg burns a little bit more, or we have different things that are built on chain that can burn a little bit more, I think that we will see major price increases, major market cap increases. And, we're going to get to some of these levels. And I think another thing that I would like to point out before I end this video, and I know it seems like for me, this video is kind of like everywhere. I had structure to it, but it seems like it's like everywhere. I'm trying to pinpoint the things that I want to say here. But another thing is when we look at Terra Luna Classic, when we look at this position, people will question, hey, can this get to a penny? And a penny is not an unbelievable market cap. It is a $60 billion market cap. Granted, that is high. It is a very, very high market cap, but it's definitely possible to see a $60 billion market cap over a $600 billion or a $6 trillion market cap. So when people say that this can get to a penny, it's actually truly believable that this can get to a penny. And that would be burning off 2 zeros, adding 2 zeros to your overall amount that you have. And, you're able to profit in the end by a hell of a lot. And we'll see. I feel like, again, this video is all over the place. I'm sorry if it seems like it jumped. I'll find a way to structure it a little bit better. I swear I had a full script as to what I'm going through, the different points that I'm going through. And for some reason, I jumped all over the place. But hopefully you got the idea of what I'm trying to accomplish here and what I'm trying to preach to you guys about this position. It's kind of just giving you an understanding of why I'm invested into it and why I believe into it, or why I believe this position will run to a hell of a higher price as well as a higher market cap. So let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you felt like it definitely was a little bit jumpy. Trust me, it's not anything where I would get offended. I feel as though that's the way my brain is now interpreting it, as a little bit jumpy. So definitely let me know if you feel like it was. Guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me there. And don't forget about my Patreon. That link is also in the description. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.